What's great?
Burn it!
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. After 4 days of our birds not visiting the nest at all, we thought that the nest had been abandoned. But today I was going to go out to the garage to get something. I went, Mom, a bird is sitting on the nest. So I just came out to check to see if she was still here. She's not, but she left something behind. One beautiful blue egg. Yay! We're gonna have babies in our backyard. Anyway, they supposedly lay 1 egg a day and they can leave up to 4. So we will continue on the bird watch. It's so exciting. Guess what, baby girl? Yes, and if you get your shoes on, we will go out and look at it.
Is the mom sitting on it?
I don't know, we'll go check. She wasn't earlier, so I think she's not there right now. When we go outside, are we noisy?
No.
Are we loud?
No.
Do we jump up and down?
No.
Are we quiet and do we whisper?
Yes. Do we creep around? Yes.
Yes. Okay. We don't want to bother the birds if they're out there. Let's go see if she's out there, okay? Come on.
I want to see how small those eggs are.
Okay. You stay. Dude, what do you think?
Great!
What's great?
Burn it!
What do you think?
Excellent.
You like the color of the egg?
Yeah,
Did you
it's
expect
pretty.
it to be that small?
It looks like a teeny Easter egg.
Can you imagine that a baby bird is going to pop out of that egg?